What's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here, the Crypto Black, back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am. Guys, man, the market's been pushing up, going crazy, and a lot of people don't know why. Why? And we're going to get right into it, man. But before we do all that, guys, make sure you hit that like button below. Guys, follow us on all of this social medias right here below, guys. We always giving out some good information, some good content. But, man, we're going to talk about today, man, why did crypto go up so much, man? What happened? What are the reasons? People want to know. Over $1 billion in shorts got liquidated overnight. And a lot of people that had those shorts in, trying to time the market, they got liquidated. So hope it wasn't one of you guys. But man, we're gonna talk about that. We also gonna talk about how Binance, Elon Musk set to buy Twitter. The deal was to go through on Friday this week. And guys, Binance CEO CZ was like, he invested in part of that. So we know Elon's crypto friendly. Obviously, CZ is crypto friendly. He made his billions off of crypto. So guys, what you think? This could be with Twitter going private and then having Elon at the helm with CZ as a large investor. I think this is a match made in heaven, baby. You know what I mean? So I don't think it'll be long before you start being able to connect your MetaMask over with Twitter. So it's gonna be crazy, and I'm loving it. So yeah, we'll get right into it. So, and man, be careful tomorrow, guys. We'll check out Bitcoin real quick. Be careful tomorrow, guys, because tomorrow the GDP numbers come out for third quarter. Third quarter GDP numbers do come out, and we'll see if we'll be 3 months in a row with negative GDP numbers. So we'll see how it goes. But and maybe they'll call it a recession then with 3 in a row. It's usually 2 in a row, but we'll see if it's 3 consecutive negative GDP numbers. We'll see if they call it a recession then. They always change the recession numbers. They're changing the definition of recession at will. So we'll see how it rolls tomorrow. But man, Bitcoin right now is up 8% for the week, guys. Up 11% for the last month. Bitcoin is sitting at $20,746. Guys, remember I keep saying it. I said on my lives, on here in these videos. I say it on the Clubhouse. And remember, Clubhouse, guys, we'll be there tonight in Clubhouse. My man Mike Miller and I talk about crypto and stocks, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But yeah, on Clubhouse, I said, I'm saying, hey, I like buying Bitcoin. When it goes only for $19,000, I think it's a good buy to buy Bitcoin. So soon to touch that 18 some change, I think it's a good buy to buy Bitcoin. It's definitely respecting it. We haven't seen that low of 17,529 since June, when all that stuff was going on with Celsius and everything. So we're seeing here that I have my trend line here. It went straight to my trend line, guys. Straight to my trend line, bounced straight up. You know what I mean? So Bitcoin did push up, nice, strong. Every time it goes for 19,000, I like to buy it. So you guys see we had that push down here on the 21st. We got close to it, and then you see we pushed right up off my trend line. And that push up was a nice move, man. Almost 8%. You know what I mean? Move, and right to my resistance, in which I said 20,800. Strong resistance, strong resistance. 20,800, and that's where we're pretty much at. Then we push up. We flirting with it. Yeah, we got the 21,000, but that wick was there. We're still seeing volume though, which is really good. I like to see when I'm actually trading. I like seeing volume. But the big boy, man, big dog push. So but for people that want to trade, we'll see. We did bounce off this 50 down here, but we'll see if we can push up over the 21.7. I think the market is pushing strong, but just be careful, guys, because we do have them GDP numbers coming out. We don't want it to be a push up just to get liquidity from retail, and then they dump the market tomorrow morning at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time when those GDP numbers come out. So you don't want to be the liquidity either. If you do have some profits, you want to lock in your profits, take your stop loss, push it up, put it up so you are in risk-free trades. And then, so you're not losing any money, all right? Push your stop. So, for example, for people that don't know, let's just say you bought it at, at 19,500. you can push your stop loss up to about 20,200, right? 20,200. So that means if it just dumps tomorrow or dumps overnight, then you're in a risk-free trade. You got money. You bought it at 19,500 and it sold at 20,200 because you adjusted your stop loss to be up here. All right. So, and then you go from there. So Ethereum, guys, is pushing it. I hate to say, man, this is why it's very cool, man, and very good to utilize the tools that's given. Because as you see, ETH, strong volume again. Ethereum, push down here where we was at, $12,064. $1,264. Pushed up right to this, right to this fib right up here, 1500, 1593, 97. And which I said, hey man, we get a push up here. We get about this 1468. Then right now we have 15 and a half, man, which is looking good. But right here we see this this resistance, strong resistance at 1593. So ETH is up over 18% in the past week. So shout out to everybody, all my ETH holders out there. Shout out to all the people out there that was long in ETH in the last couple of days. You are feeling really happy right now. So shout out to you. Shout out to everybody on the live right now as well. But again, Ethereum, guys, we got to get above this here. We're strong. $1,600 is a strong resistance for Ethereum. So guys, we'll make sure if we do come back down here at 1467, we'll see if we'll drop back down. But we still have volume coming in. We do want to actually stay inside the trade if that volume is still coming in. So, boom, here we go. It says, why is crypto market up today? I know everybody want to know. It said Bitcoin price is back at 6 weeks high, and BTC is targeting 21,000, which you already hit. Here are the 3 reasons why crypto markets are surging. One of the first reasons said the Fed could change its tune on rate hikes. Now we're starting to see a lot of different political leaders, on both sides, pretty much, reaching out to the Fed Chair Powell and saying, hey, look, man, listen, we do not want you to keep staying hawkish on these, on these rates. You could slow down and pretty much kill the economy, and it's not looking good for us because we got we got midterms coming up. So he comes out on I believe the next week. I know it's next week. Fed rate hike. He comes out and on Wednesday, next Wednesday, and be very hawkish and go another 75 basis points. That's a couple days before that's a few days before the midterm election. People losing their 401ks, gas prices is high, people rents is high, people try to buy the value of their homes is losing value, they losing value of their homes, everything's in turmoil, food, everything is high. People gonna say, listen, we need a change. So you're starting to see a lot of people, a lot of political leaders, they're actually going out and talking to the Fed chair and say, look, man, listen, this was going on. You know what I mean? So, November 1st and 2nd, that's you're going to have the FOC meeting. And on the 2nd, you're going to get that rate decision. And if he goes up 75 basis points, you're going to see the market do what it do. You see what I'm saying? So you want to make sure. So this is another reason why they're saying, you know what? Maybe he might stay less hawkish. He might go up 25 basis points. He might go up 50 basis points. If you do that, then you're going to see it fly, baby. We're going to see it fly. And that's what a lot of people are positioning right now. Like I said, do not fall for the trap either, because they could push up just to drop down, dump on you, tomorrow for GDP numbers too. So you want to be careful with that. Now, Bitcoin volatility snaps record low levels. Now, it said analyzing the data from Cointelegraph and TradingView, it becomes clear that the BTC has been too quiet for too long. A lot of consolidation, guys, but now we're starting to see a lot of good volume come in. It says especially visible in the Bollinger Bands volatility indicator. They're really closer together in Bitcoin history and demanding a breakout for weeks. And that's why I had it right over here. I had it with Bitcoin. I had it, you can see right here. I had my trend line set. It was ready for a break. It was ready for a decision. Once I see that volume coming in at where my trend line pretty much ended, then I knew, okay, cool, we're gonna be pushing up to the upside, which was very, 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 very good. So guys, make sure you use the tool that's inside TradingView, man. And most of these tools is pretty much free. You know what I mean? In TradingView. But I recommend just getting at least a pro account so you can really start playing around with some stuff. All right. So it said the volatility, this month Bitcoin volatility fell below that of some major fiat currencies, making BTC more like a stable coin than a risk asset, which it was. And then you gotta remember that the DXY was and we'll talk about that a little bit later. The DXY, you know, and the dollar was pretty strong, you know, over the last few months. So analysts had long expected the trend to undergo a violent change. However, in true to form, crypto markets did not disappoint. A look at Bitcoin's historical volatility index, recently a multi-year low seen only a handful of times. So it says, pretty funny that volatility has been so compressed and we've become so conditioned as market participants that the slightest 3% move feels like a 15-20% move. Yeah, we was like, man, Bitcoin's up 3%. It's crazy because the stocks is actually a lot of stocks are more volatile than the crypto right now. You know what I mean? So, and that's the crazy part about it. But also now, to the dollar eyes a new chapter. So it's at the parabolic uptrend throughout 2022, US dollar is only just the beginning to show signs of weakness. So like you said, we're starting to see dollar come down. Dollar pushed up strong, and we're starting to see it come down like in the 109 range right now. So guys, it's inverse. You're seeing the dollar get strong, you'll see equities and crypto go down. But totally opposite. If the dollar start getting weaker, you're going to start seeing the equities and crypto get stronger. So, you know, I can't wait till the day to once crypto break from the equities market. Sometimes it's on it, but most of the time, the last few years, actually been right with it. So I can't wait for it to break. But you know, these are times we're in, and these are the time, and this is what I have to report to you guys and let you guys know. So you can do it like that. So it's dollar, the index recently hit highest level since 2002. Momentum may yet return to take it even higher at the expense of risk assets and major currencies alike. Meantime, DXY is under pressure, and a decent came in lockstep with the return to form for Bitcoin and altcoins. So you're starting to see it. You know what I mean? It says while the correlation is higher SPX and the Qs, the correlation has decreased as of late. So guys, these are the three reasons why we're seeing Bitcoin and crypto actually go higher. You're starting to see the hawkish politicians stay on top of Fed Powell, say, hey, look, man, it could be very, 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 you're getting too hawkish on us right now. We're going into Christmas. Most businesses, retail, make most of their money in the fourth quarter, right around this time. So if they get hurt and hit hard by consumers not actually going out, buying and purchasing a lot of goods and services, that could ruin their year, and next year could be really, really, really tough. So I'm thinking it is because, you know, I'm just looking at different things. And I'm talking to different business owners, and they're saying, hey, man, certain things, you know, it's just not looking good. A lot of things are slowing down. So, you know, I'm starting to see a lot of people, they turn them Benzes back in, them Benzes and Beamers, they turn them back in. So, I'm seeing a lot of tow trucks outside. So, but yeah, so that's what you want to look for. The DXY, the dollar getting weaker. You're starting to see, you're also starting to see the volatility starting to move a little bit more. So, I think my man Nick actually posted today that we saw over $100 billion in Bitcoin volume today. First time in quite some time. So that's a good thing. You know what I mean? So we're starting to see the volatility. We might get a less hawkish rate decision next week by Fed Chair Powell. And we also see the dollar actually going down. But man, we got to talk about CZ. Owner of the largest crypto exchange in the world, Binance, which happens to be my favorite exchange that I can't use. You know, Binance is like a Lamborghini. You know what I mean? You can look at it, you keep hearing about it, it ride past you, you see other people got it, and you just look at it and you're like, damn, I want one, but I can't get it. unless I move out the States. But so it says CZ, CEO of the world's largest crypto exchange, has said he might support Elon Musk in his planned $44 billion buyout of Twitter, and the U.S. reportedly waives security review for the deal. See, U.S. don't want that. They don't want CZ touching that with see, Twitter is something where you can control narratives and all that other stuff. You know what I mean? And if you got CZ and Elon at the helm, you got Elon at the helm, and he's crypto friendly, and you got CZ, a lot of people that's on Twitter, going to start really, start seeing, start exploring crypto. And then crypto, you can start really pushing the narrative. Get a lot of these bots out of there. A lot of these bots is killing Twitter as well. And what they're going to do, can really push the narrative of crypto is not as bad. Everybody's not scammers and schemers inside crypto. You actually can use that for freedom. All right. So since early this month, Delaware judge ruled that Musk and Twitter have until October 28th to close the deal. The ruling came after Musk told Twitter that he aims to move forward with closing the deal and originally agreed upon price, as the two sides were in the midst of continuous litigation process preparing for trial to begin on October 17th. So, and pretty much he looking to acquire 5420. Musk is, but I think Twitter's shares around like $52 right now. So we'll see. He says, so when asked if he still keep his financial commitment, CZ, whatever, to Musk, CZ said, I think so, while speaking in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, during the Kingdom's Future Investment Initiative conference on Tuesday. So CZ pretty much saying like, yeah, man, you know what I mean? Deal's still there. I'm still looking to keep my commitment. I still want to be a part of this. So said Binance initially announced that the crypto exchange will commit $500 million to Musk's Twitter deal. In his official announcement, CZ said that the crypto platform has decided to help Elon realize his new vision for Twitter. So that right here, guys, I mean, you bring in social media, Web3, all together on a platform that people already know. Because the hardest thing right now, man, is to create a new social media. People are like, hey, man, create new social media. No, just like what Elon doing. Just buy what's already there, make some adjustments, and then go from there. You know what I mean? And that's the great thing about it. But man, let me know. Put in the comments, guys, you think this is right here is good news. I think it's great news. You know what I mean? I think with Elon Musk, CZ, and they taking it private, they don't have to worry about shareholders and all this other stuff. You know what I mean? And trying to keep them happy. I think it's a great thing. So let me know what you guys think about this right here. Post in the comment. You think this is good news? You think it's bad news? I think it's good news. I think it's good news. Social media, Web3, on Twitter. Let's go, baby. So guys, put some questions in the comments. You got any questions about today? Put in the comments. Any questions, anything you're looking at right now, put in the comments. And then we'll do a Q&A real quick. And we about to get it going, baby. Man, tonight gonna be great, man. Tonight, my man Mike Miller told me on Clubhouse, he said, listen, I think I got a treat. I got a treat for something. I don't even know. He said, I think I might have a special guest tonight. He didn't even tell me who the special guest is. So, God, if he tell me it's a special guest and I don't know who it is, it could be a special guest. So I want you guys to come over there, chop it up, tap in with us, guys, and let's get it going, man, tonight on Clubhouse. You know what I mean? And we're going to get it going. You know what I mean? So make sure you guys follow me on Clubhouse, Crypto Black on Clubhouse, Crypto Black, tap in, stocks and crypto. You know what I mean? That's what we talk about on our room, which is Stocks and Crypto, the unspoken truth. Look for that on Clubhouse. Just follow me on Clubhouse. You'll see it's over there. Let's see right here. Recession in full effect. Nick, what's going on, man? Yeah, exactly. Recession in full effect. 3 quarters. They see if they change it. 3 in a row. Maybe they say, well, you know what? It is 3 in a row now. We're going to do 3 in a row now. Maybe that's what it might change the tune this time around. So, yep, that's like taking profits and wait. Yep. That's how you do it, man. Hey, that line right here, or you can just adjust it. You can adjust it if you are trading Bitcoin. You can adjust it, and you can actually put it right here. You know what I mean? Put it right below that 50-day moving average. If it comes back down here, touch that 50-day and bounce again, then there you go. And then push back up. But nothing wrong with buying Bitcoin at little under 19,000, 18,000 range, and then letting it just ride up. Nothing wrong with that, and selling it at 20,800. Nothing wrong with that. We did push up to 21,000, but we see right here was a wick up there and came back down. So there's nothing wrong with that. Let's see here. Yep, yeah, but exactly what he's doing. What's up, brother Mo? How you feeling, man? Insurance news, we shall see. Definitely looking to see the results. That's what I'm doing. 8:30 tomorrow. You know what I mean? Those GDP numbers come out. 8:30 Eastern time. Those GDP numbers come out. We're going to be, you know what I mean? We're going to see the market make a move. It's going to be fun times. And we got Facebook reports tonight. We have Boeing already reported. Tomorrow, busy day tomorrow. You know, you have Apple reports tomorrow. I think Amazon reports tomorrow. Apple and Amazon reports tomorrow at closing. And on top of that, you have GDP numbers. Busy day tomorrow. I think unemployment numbers come out tomorrow too, right? Jobs numbers come out tomorrow too, Thursday. So very, very, very interesting day. A whole lot of volatility going to be in the market tomorrow, guys. I'm telling you right now. Tomorrow can make your month. Let's see right here. Maybe Elon will give out free NFTs. Yeah, we'll see. You'll see the Tesla NFTs. See Tesla NFTs. You might see with CZ partner. You know, we might see the Binance Smart Chain integration over there as well. You know, with CZ, he's a Bitcoin. He's really a Bitcoin buff. So you gotta remember that a lot of people. Same thing with what's his name? The creator of Twitter. I forgot his name. Real good dude. But he's a Bitcoin buff. A lot of people say, "Oh yeah, this and that, NFT and like that." But you gotta remember, you got difference between Bitcoin maxis and the rest of crypto as well. Gary Gensler was like that too. A lot of people are like, "Oh, Gary Gensler, he could be SEC. He's he teach the MIT whatever about Bitcoin and blah 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 and the blockchain and all that stuff." Oh man, we got a crypto friendly guy. He be running the SEC. And Gary Gensler, he trying to touch everything except for Bitcoin. So you gotta be careful with that, because just because somebody's big in Bitcoin doesn't make them big in the rest of the crypto market either. So you gotta watch out for that as well, because that's where you can get hurt. Like, yeah, my Bitcoin good. Everything else, they trying to come out. They trying to kill, steal, and destroy. You know what I mean? So that's what you want to look out for. But yeah, guys, if you got any more questions in the chat, make sure you guys hit that like button. We about to jump up out of here. We won't make it too long. But guys, just be careful for tomorrow. If we see this volume still here, guys, we want to keep staying inside the trade. Make sure you guys adjust those stop losses. You want to be in risk-free trades. You do not want to get caught slipping, because the last thing you want to do is say, listen, it was up here. I had my resistance right here. It hit it. It got rejected down. It pushed up a little bit, but pretty much got rejected. And man, I had money in my pocket, and I let it go. A lot of people fall victim to that right there. So I don't want you guys to fall victim to that, especially if you just watch this video. So shout out to everybody out there, and shout out to everybody last week, man, that took that quant trade. At quant, I told people, hey man, quant was like 170 bucks. Quant was, it was like 173, 74, something like that. And last Wednesday, I told you, I said, yo, you can short it down. It was oversold. You can short it down, and Quant said, "Beep." You know what I mean? I told it, hey, go down to 161. I said it last week. And what Quant do? Down to 158. So shout out to everybody that did short Quant last week, because they made some good money. But Quant still is a good buy. Quant still is a good trade. Shots. I'm sorry, a good coin to hold. You know what I mean? To put in the portfolio. Really good. They got some nice good backers than what they're doing. So it might be the way of a full BNB access back into the U.S. No, they got you can get BNB, in the U.S. They own pretty much all exchanges with BNB, but then they got Binance. They have Binance U.S. So I mean, it's fine. Binance, all the things they do on the regular Binance, they'll never bring in the U.S. It's just too much red tape. Like Binance, it's so much stuff you can do on a regular Binance, which is crazy. Trust me, man. Binance was the one-stop shop. You can do a whole lot of stuff on there. And US don't like that. But yeah, man. Shout out to everybody that did tap in. You guys have any more questions? We're gonna end it out right there. But make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to this channel right here. And look out for our different reels and TikTok and everything, and follow us on all our different social medias below, guys. I'm telling you right now, we always drop some different gems on there throughout the week, pretty much every day. We dropping some gems, so make sure you guys check us out on all different social medias at the Crypto Back on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere you can think about. But tonight, I see you tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. She got Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.